Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys, and basically it's going to be an unboxing for Saber cores. So this one is a Proffie board that you can actually get from the website, which I will put the links in the description. This is the cheapest way to get a Proffie board. For the cheapest price, for about $62 and change, and it has a lot of RGBs and special effects and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna show you a couple of the kits. So I have two kits right here, one of them already installed inside already. So as you can see, these two right here. So this kit, which is not inside the box, is actually inside my Saber. It comes with screws right here, as you can see. It comes with the screws. This is basically the set screws, the Allen wrench and stuff like that. Comes with a USB cord right here, which this is a USB C, so it's USB A to Type C. It does come with the board, basically to put over the board so your pins don't short out. Then you actually get a tube like this. This basically lets you test out your tube and stuff, and it actually covers the Proffie, the Neo Pixel, or your RGB board and stuff like that. So that's basically what it is. The reason why you don't see this inside here is because I actually have it installed. So let me bring over that Saber right now, which is this one right here. So as you can see right here, here's the USB-C. Now this type of Saber I have right here, I'm going to replace this part right here. Because the simple fact is this is USB Type-C, as you can see right there. Now this one does have, I believe it's the Rebels or the Sith logo right there. I'm not completely sure what logo that is. It's most likely it's probably the Rebels, but not the Rebels, the Jedis or whatever, Sith, whatever. Maybe I'll put it. Then you have these right here. This is the original Proffie right here. This is the LGT Sabers right here. As you can see, the charging port is a little bit different. As you can see, this one takes a standard plug-in, and this one takes the USB Type-C, as you can see right there. So this is the one that they actually sell you right here. But if you go with the up-to-date kits, which this comes with the Exeno V3 or Proffie, you'll get the cords that's basically like this. So let's get this out. Give me a second. Okay, so you'll get this inside. This also come with this one over here, the one that's on this side also. You'll get the instruction cards right here. I'm going to actually flash it in Arduino, and change up a lot of the fronts on it, but I'm still going to keep a lot of the settings on it. You do get your bag of Allen wrenches, set screws, and the tool to actually pull the core out of your Saber, as you can see right there. You do get a USB Type-C cord, so this is USB Type-C to USB Type-A. Then you actually get the core right here, as you can see right here. Like I said, it's the pipe right here to cover the board and everything, but you can actually use this to test out the sound and stuff right here. As you can see, this is Proffie. Let's get this out right there. So as you can see right there, kill switch, turn it on, as you can see. And to get these gestures to turn on, you have to go into, you can use the web series, or you have to actually flash it and put the files inside of it to actually get the extra stuff on it. So let's just turn it on real quick. As you can see right there. Turn it off, just hold the power. You can use this little tube to actually test out the sound and see how loud it's going to be. So as you can tell, as you can see, so the reason why I got this is because my other Proffie board literally burnt out. This is the cheapest way to go. You can go with Proffie, or you can go with Exeno. Now I do want to show you something with these Sabers really quick. If you see my early video, my unboxing video at an earlier time, not today, but the review of the Sabers that I have, these Saber cores right here actually work with this particular saber. Now you can get a saber like this, which is, I'm trying to clean this thing, got a lot of fingerprints and stuff on it. It's a lot of print. It's a fingerprint magnet. So this this saber right here is what you would call a pre-install empty hilt. So basically what I mean by pre-empty, if you see my teardown video, right here in part of the saber right there, there's a part in it which I can take it off right now. You know what? Yeah, let me take this off really fast. You know what? Let's take the core out real quick. So basically this board doesn't work anymore. Something happened, so I'm gonna have to fix it and see what's happening. Most likely is a bad pad on here or something, but let's move that to the side. Let's just take this apart really fast just to show you what it means by pre-installed. So this is a pre-installed saber, as you can see right there. That's basically this part that touches into this and powers it on right there. So this is a pre-installed. So when you get this pre-installed, it's going to have this connector on it, but you're not going to have a cord. That's what it's called, pre-empty. As you can see. And what I like about these pre-empty cores is that if you buy the exact saber, this exact saber from the same company, you can get it already all together, or you can get it you can get this pre-installed, but it may be a little bit harder to get it empty, because this particular saber, it's hard to get this pre-installed. But they do have like the layers, the star killers, saber, stuff like that, so you can get that pre. I can actually take the core out of this one, which this one is an Xeno 3, and I could put a Proffie into this, which is the same core as this one gold. It still have the same accent RGBs on it. It has everything the same. Let me just try to get that open really quick, which I gotta glue this down because this thing's all over the place. Normally I would just take the pommel out like that, which you can see right there is the same thing. Let's just pop this out like that. As you can see, same core. Only thing difference is a black board, as you can see right there. And just pop it in. Turn it on.
Volume low. Volume high.
You can see. As you can see right there, power it off. And if I want to pop my Proffie inside here, I can. That's the good thing I like about these sabers right here, this particular one, on these pre-empties. I have more that's coming in the mail, so look out for my videos for that. Just tighten this up real quick. Move this over to the side. So let's pop in the new board real quick, which you can put this in any way you want. It doesn't really matter how you put it in. And let's power it on. There you go. Now, when you first get this thing, the volume is going to be low. What you're going to have to do is, when you set up your config file, no matter what you do to try to get the volume up on it, if I turn this up and try to turn up the max, it's on max volume right now. What you need to do is you need to actually go into the config file and set the volume up to about 16, 17. I got mine currently on 1800 on my volume. That's the max I will actually go up on it. They tell you don't go up max. They tell you probably go about from 16 to 17. I just go up one notch, which is 1800. That's what I keep it at. Then I normally put the volume down like that because it's loud. On this particular saber, because there's really no vents right here for the sound, and it can't be pushed out here, it's going through here. That's basically the only difference right there. So yeah, I can switch these two out. It's just basically the way how these sabers is made that makes it sound low. So yeah, guys, that's the Proffie core that you can get right now. If you want the Exeno V3, that's $52 and change on the store that I'm going to actually put down in the link. If you want a cheap Proffie board that has accents on it and you can change it up, all that good stuff, you can get that from the store, which is going to cost you $62 and change with this, and it's a lot cheaper than going to like other stores and things like that, because other stores probably charge you like $100 or something. Like I said, if you want a LGT core like this, a Proffie, $62. So it's $62 for this one. No, I think this one is $50. I think this one is $58 and change for the LGT version, which this one is a longer version, which I'm gonna just open this up real quick just to show you. As you can see, it's the longer tube, and let's open this up at the bottom just to give you guys just a look of how it looks. As you can see, this is the longer version right here compared towards this, which is the smaller version right there, but this one has RGBs on the side like that. Also right here, same thing with this one, has RGBs right there. So if I power this on, you see it right there, just nothing on the side. The button lights up, it's not going to be red. Do have that right there, which I gotta actually program this also for twist off and twist on. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the BYEZ gang, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later in my next video, and stay tuned for more unboxings that's coming for more sabers, more soundboards, and yeah, I just got a lot of stuff that's coming in. If you guys are interested in a lot of stuff that I'm showing, you guys already know what to do. So yeah, that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys later. All right, that's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One, I'm out. Peace. Holla.